Hi everyone! Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Are you tired of searching for AI tools? Spending hours researching just to find the best one that fits what you are looking for? Checking the best settings, preparing your prompt, and then ending up with a disappointing result? Or maybe it simply asks you for more tokens, more money, or another subscription just to do something simple. In the end, you just lose your time and your money. Well, that ends today. Because in this video, I am bringing you not just one, but two powerful artificial intelligence tools that can help you improve every piece of AI-generated content. Make sure you stay until the end because I will not just show you these tools. I will also show you how to unlock their full potential so you can use them like a professional. Introducing Hyo AI. The first tool I want to show you is Hyo. With its newest update, version 2.3, it performs better than many models currently available. This AI is capable of turning a simple image into a realistic moving scene, which means it can transform static images into powerful video content. As soon as you enter Hyo, you will notice a large collection of example videos created by the community. These include both vertical and horizontal videos across many different styles. Some show realistic human movement, while others show more animated or cartoon-style results. What really stands out is the consistency and realism in the generated motion, which makes it competitive with many well-known AI tools. Step 1. Navigating the Hyo interface. On the left side menu, you will find several sections like Images, Gallery, and Agents. However, the section we are interested in today is the Video section. Once you click Video, you will see the Hyo version 2.3 model available. The platform offers multiple models, but this is the one we will focus on. You will notice there is a normal version and a fast version. The normal version produces higher detail and better quality, while the fast version produces slightly lower quality results but much faster. Depending on your needs, you can choose either speed or maximum quality. Step 2. Using image to video. This is one of the most impressive features is image to video generation. Here you can upload an image you already have or generate one using Hyo's built-in image generator. For this example, you could generate a high-quality image first, then return to the video model and upload it. Even though this is image to video, you still get a prompt field. This is where you describe how you want your image to animate. This step is extremely important. While you could upload an image and write a basic prompt, you will always get better results if you take time to write a detailed description. The platform allows up to 2,000 characters, which gives you plenty of room to describe motion, lighting, camera movement, and style. After uploading the image and writing your prompt, you can go into the settings where you can choose between 768p and 1080p resolution. This makes it one of the few AI tools capable of producing high-resolution generated videos. You can also select the duration, usually between 6 and 10 seconds. Step 3. Using presets and camera controls. Another feature worth exploring is the presets section. When you open it, you will find many example prompts provided by the AI itself. These can help you get inspiration if you are unsure what to write. There are also camera control presets, which is a very powerful feature. This allows you to control not just how the subject moves, but how the camera moves as well. This is perfect if you want cinematic marketing videos, product showcases, or viral-style content. Normally, footage like this can cost thousands of dollars, but with this AI, you can create similar results with just a prompt. Step 4. Using text to video. Hyo does not just animate images. It also allows you to generate videos completely from scratch using text to video. If you do not want to work with images, you can simply write a detailed prompt describing the scene you want. The AI can generate anime-style videos, cinematic scenes, retro visuals, and much more. The facial expressions and character movements are especially smooth compared to many other tools. Once your prompt is ready, review your settings and make sure you selected the quality and duration you want. When everything looks good, simply click Generate. Once finished, your generated video will appear in the preview section. From here, you can play the video to review the results. If you like what you see, you can download it directly to your device. If not, you can always adjust your prompt, add more detail, or change the style and click Generate again to improve the result. Step 5. Adding voice using Minimax AI. Now you might be wondering, the video quality is amazing, but what about audio? That is where the second AI comes in. The second tool is Minimax. This platform focuses on voice and audio generation. It includes text-to-speech, voice cloning, voice design, and even music generation. This makes it perfect for adding narration to your videos. You can create a professional narrator voice, generate commercial voiceovers, or even clone your own voice if you want to automate content creation. Minimax recently released version 2.6, which improved quality even further. Step 6. Using text-to-speech. Let's start with text-to-speech. When you open this feature, you will see presets for common use cases. For example, there is a tell a story preset, which gives narration a dramatic storytelling tone. You can also choose from many voices. There are filters for gender, accent, and style. You can test voices before selecting the best one. Once you choose a voice, simply write your script. Make sure to include punctuation like commas and periods so the AI understands how to speak naturally.
In a world where content is everything, creators are constantly searching for better tools. But what if you could generate professional videos, realistic voices, and cinematic content, all in just minutes?
Step 7. Voice cloning. Another powerful feature is voice cloning. This allows you to upload audio samples or record your own voice. After
The
writing
system
your prompt,
recommends
click
recording
Create
clean
and the AI
10-second
generates the
clips.
text automatically.
You can
upload multiple samples for better accuracy. The platform can even remove background noise and improve pronunciation. After uploading samples, you choose the language and enter the text you want the cloned voice to speak. Just remember to only clone voices you have permission to use. Step 8. Voice design and music creation. There is also a voice design feature where you can create completely new voices using prompts. You simply describe the voice you want, such as a happy streamer or a dark villain narrator. The more detailed your description, the better the results. Finally, there is the music generation tool. Using version 2.5, you can generate songs using prompts. You can choose styles like pop, hip-hop, or rock. You can also provide your own lyrics if you want full control. After writing your prompt, click Create, and the AI generates the text automatically.
We were searching in the dark, trying to find a better way. Late nights, bright screens, turning night into day.
Step 9. Combining everything together. When you combine Hyo for video and Minimax for audio, you get a complete AI production workflow. You can create the visuals, generate narration, add music, and produce full content within minutes. The best part is that this process saves huge amounts of time compared to traditional production. And that is how you can use these two powerful AI tools to dramatically improve your content creation workflow. I hope this helped you and that you can now get better results using the AI tools we covered today. You can find the links in the description and the pinned comment. See you in the next video.